In this video, you'll learn how to share a Notion page with others. By following these steps, you will be able to configure the sharing settings and manage access for your collaborators effectively. Begin by navigating to Notion and signing into your account. Once signed in, locate the specific page you wish to share. It is advisable to review the content of the page to ensure it is ready for sharing. Confirm that you have the necessary permissions to manage sharing options. After that, find the Shared button located at the top right corner of the page. This action prepares the page for sharing. Next, click on the Share button. A menu will appear, allowing you to enter the email address of the person you want to invite to view or edit the page. Choose the appropriate permission level, such as can view or can edit, depending on how much access you want to grant. If needed, you can enable public link sharing by toggling on the option provided. Review all access settings carefully to ensure they align with your intentions for sharing. After configuring the sharing settings, it is important to notify your collaborators that the page has been shared with them. You can do this through a direct message or email. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, test the link that was generated for sharing. This will confirm that your collaborators can access the page as intended. If any adjustments to permissions are necessary, return to the Share menu to make those changes. It is also possible to revoke access from users anytime through the Share menu. Regularly monitoring the page activity can help you keep track of who has accessed it and how it is being used. This ongoing management ensures that you maintain control over who can view or edit the content. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.